In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe someone in Klaviyo. This is really useful if a customer reaches out asking to be removed from your emails or texts, or if you notice someone who clearly doesn't want to receive messages anymore and you want to stay compliant and protect your deliverability. I'll walk you through how to manually unsubscribe a single person from inside their Klaviyo profile. First, log into your Klaviyo account and look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the main navigation menu, you'll see an option labeled Profiles. Go ahead and click on Profiles. This is where every contact in your account lives, along with their activity, consent status, and subscription preferences. At the top of the Profiles page, you'll find a search bar. Here, type in the email address of the person you want to unsubscribe. As you type, Klaviyo will pull up matching records. When you see the correct contact, click on their name to open their profile details. This brings you to a page that shows their information, their event history, and their subscription status. You'll land on the Details tab by default, or you can click Details if you're not already there. On this tab, look for the section that shows their communication channels, specifically email or SMS. This area will show whether they are currently subscribed or not, usually with a green check mark indicating that they have consent and are actively subscribed. Next to that green check mark, you'll see a small menu icon represented by 3 dots. This is where you control the subscription status for that particular channel. Click on the 3 dots to open a drop-down menu of options. From that drop-down, choose the Unsubscribe option. Klaviyo will then update the contact's status, and they'll be marked as unsubscribed for that specific channel, whether that's email or SMS. This means they will no longer receive campaigns or flows through that channel unless they resubscribe in the future through a proper opt-in method. It's a good idea to take a quick look after you've done this to confirm the change. You should now see that the consent indicator has been updated to reflect that the person is no longer subscribed. This helps you stay compliant with email and SMS regulations and ensures you're only messaging people who actually want to hear from you. And that's it. By using the Profiles section and the subscription controls on the Details tab, you can quickly and safely unsubscribe any individual contact in Klaviyo.